Central Processing Unit, or CPU, which is the brain of the computer. On top, we have the cover, called an integrated heat spreader, and inside is a smaller metal package that holds the integrated circuit, which is technically called a die. This die is mounted on a printed circuit board that distributes the 1,200 connection points to landing pads that interface with the landing grid array on the motherboard. The integrated circuit inside has a few different sections, but perhaps the most recognizable are the 10 cores where programs and instructions are run. Each core is quite complicated, so here's a diagram laying out the different functional sections. There are dozens of rather complicated elements in this diagram, and you can look forward to a series of videos we're currently planning which will explore computer architecture and how each of these sections work. Let's zoom into a nanoscopic view of the integrated circuit so we can see individual transistors. These transistors are incredibly small, only a few nanometers wide, and in this die there are approximately 8 to 10 billion. On top of the transistors are multiple layers of metal wires, with vias rising vertically between the layers. Together, these transistors and wires create a multi-layer labyrinth or highway, resulting in a computer that can execute billions of operations every second. Let's now zoom out and look at other sections of the CPU. To the side of each core is the shared L3 memory cache and ring interconnect. On the far right is an integrated graphics processor which functions as a less powerful GPU. In the top left is the memory controller which sends data to and from the DRAM. And finally, on the far left is the system agent and platform I/O, which communicates with the chipset on the motherboard and manages the flow of data between many of the other components in your PC. So with that in mind,